So I got the center console, the factory one back in. And what I might do, I mentioned this when I first started doing my custom console templates. I may just buy a brand new center console with the trim piece and just build that front piece that covers up where the computer is mounted right underneath the stereo. I may just do it like that because that does look pretty slick. Then I can paint match it to that or wrap it in some vinyl or whatever. So I'm just trying to get the interior buttoned up so that it'll be safely drivable for when I take it to the alignment shop, because they're going to have to drive it up on the alignment rack, and you know they'll be pulling it out and all that. So I don't want any wires exposed that I got all up under there. I still haven't tightened those up yet, but they're safe and secure. I just haven't loomed them up and made them pretty yet. But I did get the reverse lights working, and as you know, with the Dakota digital, the way that I'm running with the GSS module, it has to be, I mean, obviously ignition on, but ignition on for my headlights as well. So if you just pull the key, I mean, not the headlights, the gauge lights, they don't come on. You need ignition, and then they'll come on. But we'll go ahead and put it in reverse, and we got backup lights. So yeah, I was kind of bummed out the other day when I was out driving in public and didn't have reverse lights, so that kind of put a little spoil in my test drive. But we got it squared away. Reverse lights on deck. Got my side markers. Still got an issue going on with these blinkers. I thought maybe because it was that short on that reverse light, they blink, but they're still hyper blinking, as you can see. And I've got hyper flashers in there. I mean, I've got LED flashers in there, but they only hyper flash with the signal. Watch this. So that's the signal, so you can see a hyper flashing. But if I do hazards, look. Watch this. They blink regular. Well, you know what? You can actually hear it blinking. You hear the flasher. And when I did the signal light, you don't hear it. I wonder if that one went out. It's possible. Who knows? Or it could be this switch. I think it's the switch. I do need to change the switch because this piece right here is broke. You know how this, basically you just press it in, it broke off right here. It's stuck inside of there and I can't get it out. So I'm gonna have to obviously get this out. I'm gonna replace this piece too. This is a separate piece than the actual turn signal switch. So this is the windshield wiper. This right here is the windshield wiper switch. So I need to replace this as well as the actual turn signal switch that's in here. So I'll get all that squared away. Now that I'm driving it, I'm definitely gonna need that. So just tapping in, giving y'all a little update. Yeah. Happy New Year, you filthy animal. Happy New Year, you filthy animal. Woo, this sucker is ready. It's cold out too today. It's about 20 degrees cooler than it was the other day. When I get out here, I can't see a dang thing. So I'm gonna wait, because I can't see. Transmission shifted like Gucci. I'm just scared to get in it. That's what it is. I gotta get in it for it to shift the way it's supposed to shift. And that's all that is. If I get in it, it'll shift quick. Watch this. I'm gonna try to do it. I'm in first right now. Second, it just shifted to second. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal, and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal, and a Happy New Year. Damn, these brakes are, ooh, they Gucci. Boy, make me want to just, I get on the freeway now. I'm confident. I done got it up to 60. Oh yeah. The brakes are so quick. Oh my God. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. No more scary with this. No, sir. I don't know if I could do a burnout though. These tires are so dang on sticky. I mean, I know I can, but he got the Bel Air out today. Oh, these brakes are so fucking, excuse my French, but man, they stop on a dime. Yeah, see, in third gear, it needs to be full throttle. Boy, this mother will stop on a design. I am Gucci. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. Yeah, we Gucci, baby. What's up with there we go. Oh yeah, we Gucci. I just went a couple of miles down and around. Could have went and got some gas. That's what I should have did, huh? When you got some gas, but I didn't. We sitting at 200 degrees after all that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, MiniSSkirt. She highway ready, baby. I just got back from another drive. I got her up to 60 miles an hour. She highway ready for sure. So maybe later on today, or probably tomorrow, I'm gonna put on the freeway. There's tollway close to my house. Speed limit is 70. So I'm gonna get her up to about 75 and see how she do. The brakes are working phenomenal. It's almost scary to hit the brake because they stop so quick. You kind of gotta ease into it. You know, you gotta get used to it. But this is the first time I ripped on this thing since I changed the transmission harness, the internal harness a couple years ago. I replaced the whole harness. All the shift solenoids are new filter, new filter ring or filter seal, and obviously transmission fluid. So, old MiniSSkirt, boy, she ready to roll, baby. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal, and a Happy New Year. Definitely gotta aim the headlights. I'm about to go for a night drive, y'all. Yes, sir. Let's get it. So now it's hyper flashing. It's crazy. New Year's Eve drive. MiniSSkirt running good. Everybody on their way to their little parties. The little Mustang trying to show out. Yeah. I know I need to adjust my headlights. Hope I ain't blinding nobody too bad, but I might be though. Oh my God. Oh, love it, man. Love it, man. Yeah, we in Mexico, y'all. We somewhere in Mexico. The LED lights are shining bright. Ooh, look at them lights. Ooh, I just gotta aim them, but they shining bright. I can see better in this car than I can in my in the Malibu. Let me get myself back. Let me get my butt back to the crib. Man, love it, man. Fire truck. Where is he coming from? He ain't got no sirens on, do we? Nope. Cyber truck. Or what is that? No, it's not a cyber truck. See, this blinker work when it want to work. Sometimes they blink hyper, sometimes it blinks normal. I'm gonna have to figure that out. It's probably in the switch though. Definitely. Let's see what we looking like on 199. Yeah. Oh, he right behind me too. Fire truck. Oh, they going right there. He ain't got his sirens on, but are they leaving? I don't know what they doing. Man, this is nice. I can start pulling it out at nighttime, daytime, don't even matter. I got my signals working. The brakes are phenomenal. Love it, man.